Today we embark on a journey to explore the mysteries of our existence. We'll discuss how our lives began with the Big Bang, the role of gravity in the formation of galaxies and stars, the intriguing concept of dark matter and dark energy, and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Join us as we uncover the secrets of our universe and ponder our place within it. Are you ready to take a mind-blowing journey through the depths of space? Buckle up, because we're about to blast off. As we venture into the cosmos, we'll witness breathtaking views of galaxies that defy imagination. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and felt a sense of awe and wonder at the vastness of the universe? When you think about how big space really is, it can make you feel incredibly tiny. Thankfully, we live on a planet with an atmosphere that protects us from the harsh realities of space. Just imagine what would happen if you were suddenly thrust into the vacuum of outer space. Without the protection of our atmosphere, your body would experience some pretty dramatic changes. The air inside your lungs would expand and explode, causing severe damage to your lungs and other organs. Your muscles and bones would start to break down due to the lack of gravity, and your skin would quickly freeze or burn depending on the temperature of your surroundings. To make matters worse, you'd only have around 15 seconds to experience all of this before you black out from lack of oxygen. It's safe to say that a trip to space without a spacesuit wouldn't exactly be a walk in the park. We've come to appreciate the beauty and mystery of space. But it's not all just pretty lights and distant galaxies. There's a lot going on out there that we don't fully understand. It's easy to feel like we're just a small fish in a big pond when we consider the sheer size of the universe. However, it's important to remember that every great discovery, from the laws of gravity to the theory of general relativity, began with someone looking up at the stars and asking questions. With that in mind, let's take a look at what really goes on in space and how it affects us here on Earth. Gravity is the force that keeps us grounded on Earth, quite literally. But did you know that it also plays a crucial role in the formation of galaxies? Gravity brings together clouds of gas and dust, which are the building blocks of stars and planets. Stars form when these clouds collapse under their own gravity. As the cloud collapses, it heats up and forms a dense ball of hot gas. Once the ball becomes massive enough, nuclear fusion occurs, creating a giant ball of burning plasma that we know as a star. The gravity of the young star then pulls in surrounding gas and dust, forming disks around it. Over time, this material condenses into smaller bodies, forming planets and other objects in the galaxy. Gravity is also what holds galaxies together. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, all of which are in constant motion. The stars are held together by the gravitational pull of the entire galaxy, which keeps them in a roughly spherical shape. Without gravity, galaxies would simply fly apart into outer space. But gravity isn't the only force at play in the universe. Dark matter is an elusive substance that makes up a whopping 80% of the mass in the universe. Despite its abundance, dark matter is invisible and has never been directly observed. However, astronomers can detect its presence by studying its gravitational effects on visible matter, such as stars and galaxies. One of the most compelling evidence for dark matter comes from the study of galaxy clusters. When studying the movement of galaxies within clusters, scientists found that the galaxies were moving much faster than expected. This suggests that there is more mass in the cluster than can be accounted for by the visible matter. This missing mass is thought to be made up of dark matter. Another piece of evidence for dark matter comes from gravitational lensing. When light passes by a massive object, it is bent by the object's gravity. This bending of light can cause distant objects to appear distorted or magnified. By studying these distortions, astronomers can map the distribution of mass in a galaxy. Again, they often find that there is more mass than can be accounted for by the visible matter. This suggests that dark matter is spread throughout the entire galaxy, providing additional support for the idea that dark matter exists. While the exact nature of dark matter remains unknown, scientists are actively working to unravel its mysteries. Understanding dark matter could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Dark energy is a mysterious force that was introduced in the early 20th century to explain the accelerating expansion of the universe. Unlike dark matter, dark energy is not a type of matter, but rather a property of space itself. As our understanding of the universe has grown, scientists have realized that the expansion of the universe is not constant, but is actually speeding up over time. This unexpected observation led to the introduction of dark energy as a way to explain the acceleration. The idea that space itself could have a negative energy density was a radical departure from the prevailing theories of the time. However, it was a necessary step to explain the observations that scientists were making. Since its introduction, dark energy has become one of the most perplexing mysteries of the universe. Scientists have been working tirelessly to understand its nature and origin. While the exact nature of dark energy remains unknown, scientists have some theories about its behavior. One leading hypothesis is that dark energy is a cosmological constant, a value that never changes over time or space. Another hypothesis is that dark energy is a dynamic field that changes over time and space. This could explain why the expansion of the universe is accelerating. As the field changes, it could be causing the rate of expansion to increase. And then there's the ultimate question: are we alone? The vastness of the universe makes it seem likely that there are other forms of life out there. But we haven't found any concrete evidence yet. Despite this, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to be a major focus of scientific research. With the help of advanced telescopes and other technologies, we're able to scan the skies for signs of life beyond our planet. Who knows? Maybe one day soon, we'll discover that we're not alone in the universe. As we continue to explore the depths of space, we're sure to encounter many more wonders and mysteries. With advancements in technology, we're able to learn more about the universe and our place within it than ever before.